Alright, today we're going to be looking at the Tozalazz 12-volt air compressor. Comes in a nice bag here. Open it up. You can pull it out of here. Get a hose. This comes with a quick connect. Screw type connector, gauge. Let's see here. Get a quick connect here that screws onto this. 3 other fittings for like air mattress, basketball, whatever. Let's get this out of the bag. Hard to do this with one hand. So let me get this out of the plastic bag here and we will continue. Okay. The dual cylinder on off switch. Pretty nice. I like this plate it's built on. It's made so you can mount it. Ford is really heavy duty. Have the hose here. I think it's 25 foot of hose. You get the quick connect. It screws on. Screws onto the hose right there. And this end has a quick connect. I guess goes to the compressor. This would be good for those of us who do a lot of boondocking and you need to air down your tires and then have a way to air them back up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this all set up and I'm going to demonstrate it as if I was actually going to use it. I'm going to air my tire down and then I'm going to use this to pump it back up, see how long it takes. It says that it's better if you start your vehicle before you connect it, and that way it doesn't kill your battery. So we're going to do that and then we'll get things set up and I'll show you how it works. Alright, we got it, truck started, got it set up here. I wish that cord was a little longer. Let's see if we can use this to let the air out of the tire. Alright, let's see if we can let the air out of the tire with this. This we have about 60 pounds. I usually run about 80. Let's take her down to about 20 if we can. There's a button on the back of this gauge that lets the air out. Hopefully you can hear me. I have to run my truck. Probably be easier if you use one of those air valve things or pull your valve out. I'm just doing it the way that I would normally do it if I was out on the road. Just very close. Letting air out. I'm gonna let this air out, and I'll get back to you when we start pumping the tire back up. Otherwise, we're gonna be here for 20 minutes or so, just letting air out. So I'll be right back. Alright, got it down to about 20 pounds. Like I said, I usually run about 80, so we're going to start the pump up and see how long it takes to get to 80 pounds. It should be about right there. Just start the pump. Hopefully you can hear me. The pump is pretty loud. I don't seem to be pumping air. I don't know if it's because I got my camper sitting on here or what. Shut this pump off and let's see what the gauge says. Let's see what the gauge says. We're about 80 pounds, so I don't know, that was a couple minutes. Let me get my other tire gauge and check its pressure. Bear with me just a minute. Alright, I'm really surprised. But it took it to 80 pounds in about 2 minutes. So I'm pretty impressed. So anyway, if you're interested in getting one of these, if you go on my website at truckcampinglife.com, you scroll down and you look at the big banners down there. There's an ad for $20 off, and I'll leave a link below in the description. But yeah, I'm impressed. I mean, that thing pumped that tire up quick. This thing will be going with me when I go traveling now. Because I come across a lot of roads sometimes where you got to let air out for a smoother ride. The washboard roads and stuff like that. But I'm truly, truly impressed. The only thing I can say is I wish the cord was longer, and I wish it had different type ends that you could put on it. Like if you wanted to use a cigarette lighter or something like that. Because I have all kind of plugs at the back of my camper here that would make it a whole lot simpler to plug in. But anyway, there it is. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, like it, comment. I love hearing from you guys. And I just want to say up front that any reviews that I do, I'll be as transparent as I can with you. If it's a piece of crap, I'm going to tell you flat out it's a piece of crap. So anyway, God bless, and be kind to one another, and we'll see you next time.